Why is it so difficult to earn honest money with wind and solar? Honest in the sense of without subsidies, without government intervention. The reason why it is so difficult to earn honest money has, number one, to do with energy density. When you see these beautiful fields of solar panels, you know the reason why they're so large is because the energy available per square meter to our surface is limited. That's energy density. By the way, the same applies to wind parks. And that is why when you now look at this solar park, it's 4 million panels, 21 square kilometers in order to have 2 gigawatt of installed capacity. That's not electricity generated, that's just installed capacity, which only works when the sun shines, of course. And the 1.35 cent per kilowatt hour, that's not the actual cost. We talk about cost in a little bit. That is what the company building those things charges for the electricity they generate and they put into the system. The energy and raw material issue for wind and solar is a very big one. Because of this low energy density, you actually need a lot of energy first to process, mine, transport the raw materials required to have these large fields operate. Actually, the amount of materials you need is much, much larger than compared to an existing, coal, gas, or nuclear power station. Now we talk about intermittency issue. Everybody is aware that the sun doesn't shine, the wind doesn't always blow. So I say here, replace one dirty system, so-called dirty system, with 4 or 5 clean systems, ? Yes. Because first you're putting up solar or wind. You're actually overbuilding. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times overbuilding to try to replace one existing power plant. Then second, you need short duration energy storage, mostly batteries, not only batteries, also pumped hydro, but mostly batteries. You actually need a third system that's long duration energy storage. And here's mostly hydrogen. And of course, if you're lucky, if you have enough hydro storage, you might be able to use hydro storage for a certain percentage. Fourth, you usually, at least currently planned, always most likely have a gas power plant on standby, somewhere available. And the fifth system is, of course, the integration, the network integration, the transmission, the grids, the so-called smart systems.